So let's start. Start na ha. Tapos mag-achikahan ako ng isa-isa ang nilalagay.
Oo. Hala?
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It is cocktail hour and today we are going to make a cranberry daiquiri. But before we start, I just want to tell all of you that I am not a pro bartender. We will just be using a tumbler today because we don't have a shaker. So let's start. Start with 45 ml of sugar syrup. 45 ml of Bacardi. $90 ml of cranberry juice, and a squeeze of half a lime. Add in some ice. And we're ready to shake. Bring out your chilled glass and strain it onto the glass. Put more ice cubes. And we can garnish our cocktail with a nest. And there we have it, our cranberry daiquiri.